princess has just died. But I see no Hofmasts, no headlines, and no gossip. A princess just died in her sleep, surrounded by nothing else than beeping machines and an empty chair beside her. A few days before, she had been found in her home, if that's what you can call it. A hellhole for a home, with no ventilation, and belonging to one very generous old lady. A lady who was so sick that she barely managed to clean herself in the end. She was found alone in a room full of filth, drenched in blood. She was found dirty, unloved, uncared for, unwanted. But she had the heart of a princess. She was the most generous person I have ever met. She was ready to think of others before her very own needs or comforts. Yet she died with no dignity, no love, no warmth, and for one simple reason. She was a prostitute. Jesus can still be found in the distressing disguise of the poorest of the poor. It's just a few meters away from where you are right now. He's here in Malta. He's right here. What are you going to do?